As I've specified in other videos in this AutoCAD electrical course, you must use the appropriate wire editing and wire numbering tools. The reason being, when you're editing wires and numbering wires, it links those particular attributes to the AutoCAD electrical project database. Let me show you what I mean. If I go to the Home tab on the ribbon now, and I'm going to utilize the regular AutoCAD move command. Now, just before I do that, yes, we are still in Drawing Demo 02 in the Demo 10 project over in the Project Manager on the left-hand side. Back to the Home tab on the ribbon. And there's the Move command in the Modify panel, so I click on Move. I'm going to select this wire number here. I'm then going to right-click, pick a base point anywhere on the number there, and I'm just going to drag it over here. Now, I've moved that wire number, but it is still linked to this wire. And the reason being is when I numbered that wire, that number there has gone into the project database and it is associated with that particular wire line there. And there is a link there because that is an attribute of that line there. What happens if I use the actual Move Wire Number command in AutoCAD Electrical? Let's go up to the Schematic tab on the ribbon and we go to Edit Wires, Wire Numbers here. And there is a command here, Move Wire Number. So if I click there, it now says specify new wire number location, select on wire. So I'm not actually going to select the wire number, I'm going to select where I want that number to go on the wire itself. So if I pick a point, say over here, click there, look where it places that wire number. If I specify another location, it moves it again. If I specify this part of the wire here, it moves it again. It will just keep moving it every time I click on the wire itself. That's the important thing. So if I just press escape there now, I've moved that wire number and it's where I want it to go. On a single wire, it's exactly the same process. So I've got my 400 there. So I go to Move Wire Number. I specify the new wire number location on the wire itself. So if I come up here, click there, it moves that 400 along the wire, you'll notice each time. So every time I click, it's bringing it to the nearest available point. What you'll find is, if I just hit escape there, if I just go ahead and move something using the regular AutoCAD move command, the next time I use Move Wire Number, it'll associate that number with the appropriate wire. So if you've moved a wire number but not moved the wire, as you can see, it can cause confusion. So make sure that you use the Move Wire Number command. Another way of doing this, if I select the wire number and use the right-click menu like so, you'll notice I've got the option to move the wire number there as well. So if I click there, it's exactly the same command, just on the right-hand shortcut menu. And again, hit escape to finish. You can use the ribbon or the mouse, but don't use the regular AutoCAD move command when you're moving wire numbers.